Right, Flo, I've got to measure you. Here's the tape measure. How do you measure a dog? Collar to tail. Look, I can do Bruce. Oh look, that's how long Bruce is. Bruce is that long. Right, how long's Flo? No! How long is Flo dog? I think she's about... Oh, nearly. Oh, no. Oh, I want to be accurate. I need to be accurate. I've got to buy you a coat. Oh my goodness. How do you measure a dog? Yes, Bruce, I know, you're very lovely. Right, Flo, come here. Stick your head between my legs. Bruce, let me do it this way. I need a tape measure that goes round corners. You see? You're too wiggly. Come here. Right, it's about that. About that? 22? You're about 22 inches, Flo. Now I need to do 3. Check. Stay. I nearly got you then. Stay. Well, do sit. I don't think it's going to work doing sit. Go on, sit. You don't even sit straight. Oh my goodness. How do I do it? It can't be this hard. Oh, that's not long enough. Goodness sake, girl, just keep still. Oh God, I don't want to tickle you so. I don't want to tickle your tummy. I just want to